Hello, all you lovely people, and welcome to my channel, Divine Leonine's Diary. This is the love reading for July 2020. As you can see, I have prepared 3 groups here. This is group 1, this is group 2, and this is group 3. You can choose the pile that draws your attention. I also have kept some crystals here. This is the blue sugilite. This is the malachite. And this is the labradorite. See how gorgeous it looks? You can select the pile that you feel most drawn to. I suggest you choose with your intuition, as that will give you the most accurate reading. Timestamps will be provided below. Once you have chosen the pile, I shall see you at your reading. Hello group 1. So you chose the beautiful sugilite. Sugilite is a fantastic stone. It's personally my favorite. And it tells me a lot of things about you. So you're basically someone who is extremely good at communicating as well as understanding others. When it comes to love relationships, you are someone who acknowledges the other person, appreciates the other person, and also is a very good communicator. You have the gift of the gab. So basically you're someone who has no problem in speaking to somebody else about their feelings, their emotions. At times you have regretted it, but nevertheless, that is your unique quality and we wouldn't want to change it. Let's see, what cards do you have? Oh, the first card that you have is the Swadhyaya. Swadhyaya, my friends, connects straight to the third eye. And it also connects to this stone out here, which shows that you have a great sense of intuition. Your intuition basically helps you to take the right decision. This month of July, you are going to do a careful introspection about what works for you, what doesn't work for you. You are a good judge of the mistakes that you have made in the past and are now ready to make sure and leap into the surprises that life has to offer. Let's see, what tarot cards do you have? You have the King of Pentacles and you have the Four of Pentacles. So there you have it. You're finally getting the abundance of love that you've been waiting for. For the singles, this is the confirmation of your partner entering your life. He or she is someone that truly brings more joy, more love, and more stability in your life. Please remember, my readings are not gender-based. You will be a couple that everyone admires. And for those of you who are already in a relationship, get ready to get a proposal to get engaged or married. Isn't that wonderful? July is truly a month wherein instead of getting impacted by the craziness around you, I want you to only focus on the love life that you want to create for yourself. We also have the Four of Pentacles here. This is a card of control and stability. So you are completely in control of your life and your heart. Stability is something that you value over anything else right now. And this is exactly what you will have. So you don't have to settle for anything less, my friends, because you are getting the life of your dreams. Let's see, what energy cards do you have? Wonderful. You have the Magician and the Mirror, and you also have anxiety. So the anxiety card tells me that you have been worrying too much lately. Is that right? Because in case you have, you don't have to. Things are materializing exactly the way you want. And do you know why? Because you have this gorgeous card right here for you. So you don't have to worry at all. The Magician is here to take care of everything. This is the card of manifestation. The life of abundance, love, opportunities, and happiness is coming for you. So your energy is creating a magical life for you. So you are doing it all, and you're doing it by yourself. So do not lose faith, Group 1. Not everyone gets this wonderful chance to carve a beautiful life for themselves. You have it, so you know your worth. All you have to do is trust your intuition and allow this magic to unfold. Okay? Let's see what card do you have as the final card. It says, honor your uniqueness. Thank you for making me so wonderfully complex. Your workmanship is marvelous. How well I know it. So when you were younger, you must have felt a little left out, or say like the odd man out. But you weren't odd, my friends. You are beautiful in your own unique way. This card is here to tell you that you need to accept all of your goodness and your flaws, because the love of your life loves you for it. They admire your unique traits. They will love you when you are quiet, and they will also love you when you are dancing around in the bushes. They will love you in all aspects. But it has to start with you first. Self-love is not selfish. It is the way of life, and it will enable you to be more loving towards your partner. So this was your reading for July, Group 1. If it resonated with you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is a new channel. Give it some love. Be safe, and I shall see you in my next reading. Hello Group 2, and welcome to your love reading for July 2020. Before we begin, let me tell you it's a new channel, so please show it some love and do subscribe to my channel. I'll keep bringing to you my energy readings to guide you on your soul path. Thank you. Let's begin with your reading. So you chose the gorgeous Malachite. Malachite is a green colored crystal, my friends, and it connects straight with your heart chakra. Considering this is a love reading, let's see what the cards have in store for you. The first card is the Bhakti card. So I see you as a very selfless person. You are someone who is dedicated to the divine, Group 2, and you believe in prayers and surrendering to the divine. So I suppose meditation should be a part of your routine, as you can have the inner strength to make things happen more quickly for you, rather than depending on others, Group 2. So July brings to you a beautiful relationship that is as divine and trustworthy as your faith in the divinity. Okay, let's see what your energy cards have to say about you. So you have the appreciation, and you have Goddess of the Moon. In appreciation, this card tells you to appreciate every moment in your life, Group 2. When it comes to people, you may have regretted not being appreciative of a certain someone, and then maybe lost that person forever. But this card reminds you not to make that mistake again. July brings love to you, but you must be grateful for all that you have and appreciate the love and goodness that one has to offer you. In Goddess of the Moon, here we can see this beautiful goddess holding the moon. So basically you represent this beautiful person, Group 2. This card shows that you have an immensely beautiful sense of intuition. I see a strong presence of you meeting your partner in July. So just be aware of what your intuition is trying to say to you. Don't get blinded by any rat race. Good things come to you when it's the right time, and this is your right time, Group 2. July is that month. Once you meet the person, or say if you have already met the person, July will be the month where you'll strike a chord with the person. You'll also be inspired to spend time with him or her. Please remember, my readings are not gender based. This relationship will bring a sense of calm that you've never experienced before. So this is a great card to have, Group 2. Let's see what does the tarot want to say to you. You have the Hanged Woman and the Queen of Swords. The Hanged Woman basically tells me that you have been very patient throughout your life. You've sacrificed a lot of things to get till here, Group 2. I can also see that at times you feel stuck, or say you doubt yourself as to whether you're headed in the right direction. Are you choosing the right person? Are you in the right relationship? But please remember, this is just temporary feeling. Be open and be open to receive more love. Be ready to receive more love, group 2. I see a beautiful life filled with love, peace and harmony waiting for you. You have absolutely nothing to fear. And you also have the Queen of Swords here. So you are extremely strong. I can see that, group 2. I can see that you are in fact silent and strong. So you don't beat around the bushes. I doubt if even your best friend knows about the strength that you carry, because I don't see you as someone who readily shares what's going on inside. I see you having a strong relationship that's full of love, strength and compassion. So that's a good thing. It's time to take action. Be expressive, group 2. Please don't shy down. Speak to your partner. Tell them what you love. Tell them how much you love them. This will generate more trust in your relationship. So basically you both will be a power couple and make a life, make your life a success. So July is blessed for you, group 2, and I'm so happy for you for this. Let's see what your final card has to say to you. Oh, see, it's saying the same thing. Express yourself through creativity. Amazing. There you go again. That's exactly what I said. Express yourself creatively. Speak to your partner. With the lockdown, I'm not sure if you're able to meet in person, but there are always virtual calls. Technology is always there to help you out. So you can have coffee sessions online. You can maybe share your screen and watch a movie together. You can share pictures of the activities that you're doing at home. So, you can give them a surprise call just to say, I love you, maybe. Why not? So get creative, group 2. Love is a beautiful thing and you are very well deserving of it. So this was your love reading for July, group 2. If it resonated with you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is a new channel. Please give it some love. Be safe and I shall see you in my next reading. Thank you. Hello, group 3, and welcome to your love reading for July 2020. Before we begin, this is a new channel, so please show it some love. Do subscribe to my channel and I'll keep bringing to you my energy readings to guide you on your soul path. Let's begin with your reading. So you chose the wonderful labradorite. I personally believe this crystal brings magic in your life. So let's see what magic is held in store for you for July 2020. Your first card is Kapha. So Kapha tells me a lot about you as a person, group 3. I see that you are a deeply humble person. I can see that you are extremely grounded to Mother Earth. You are also extremely understanding and value stability in life the most. So a happy life, a happy family life is your ultimate goal, and that comes across in this card. I can see that you are the driving force of your life and you will soon see it all coming to reality. So I'm sure this is the magic that's coming into your life. Let's see what the energy cards hold for you. Wow. So you have the 6th chakra, which is Archangel Metatron. Oh my goodness. No wonder you all chose the labradorite. And you have the World. So Archangel Metatron here, this is the card of clarity and personal vision. That's why it's connected to the 6th chakra. And it's a card of your third eye, or say the card of your intuition. So it tells me that you have a clear idea of the partner that you want in your life. You also have no time for anyone who wastes your time, which is a good thing, group 3. You want a passionate man, or say a woman. Please remember, my readings are not gender based. So you want a partner who loves you a lot, cares for you and supports you in your decisions. So I see you manifesting this wonderful person in July, group 3. Wonderful. I'm truly happy for you. My only suggestion to you is don't cloud your mind with the thoughts of the past. If certain things didn't work for you in your favor in the past, maybe it was meant to be that way, but doesn't mean that it will repeat in future. So be open to accept the new changes that life has to offer you. You also have this fabulous card of the World, group 3. So I see that this person is ready, and this person is you. Basically, look at the person staring at the world. That is you. You are ready to take on the world. Things are happening exactly the way you wanted them to. People, events and situations in your life are molding just the way you want them to. Great, great. This is a great card to have. I see things getting positively in your favor, say in July 2020. And that's it. What more do you want? The world is your oyster. So gulp it down. Not literally, I meant, but yes, it's your oyster. Let's see what your tarot cards are saying to you. So you have the Seven of Wands. Oh, and you have Nine of Swords in reverse. Amazing. So this Nine of Swords in reverse, it says that you are mindful, and that's very good, group 3, because this is a good attitude to have, provided you don't overdo it. It's good that you think, analyze the situation, and then accordingly you take decisions. So you are serious about getting into a relationship, and those who are already into a relationship are maybe looking forward to getting married. So I see you taking the right decisions that bring more happiness in your life. You also have the Seven of Wands here. So group 3, like I mentioned earlier, it's good to be mindful, but don't overanalyze. Because sometimes what happens is when you overthink, you miss out on some great opportunities, a great proposal. If you are too doubtful, or say you keep doubting everything that happens in your life, so you don't want that. You've basically come a long way, and that's evitable from this card. And you deserve a beautiful love that life has to offer. So don't ruin it, just enjoy it. When someone compliments you, please believe it, they mean it. You waited too long, and now you have it all. So enjoy all the love that life basically has to offer to you. Okay, let's see what the final card has to say to you. Let love light the way. Don't be afraid or discouraged, for the Lord will personally go ahead of you. He will be with you. He will neither fail you nor abandon you. Isn't that such a wonderful card to have, group 3? Perfect. It matches with your reading. Be open to receive love and happiness. You waited for long, and now it's time to reap the benefits, group 3. Life is offering you a present, which is a perfect relationship of your dreams. So trust it and accept it. Let love light the way, as happiness and contentment is waiting for you at the other side of the tunnel. So this was your reading for July, group 3. If it resonated with you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is a new channel, so please give it some love. Be safe, and I shall see you in my next reading. Thank you.